Okay. Now, what I usually do is use screw. But for demonstration purposes, and this is crude. On glass, so that's a good insulator. I'm good with that. And but you don't want to get shot and dirty on things, yeah. So you just be careful. And they're heavy. They are heavy. Okay. Okay. And put my on them. I'm gonna write this down. And so that you get damn. See how to make this device I have here. Now, it's good for anything you want to take a look, even the not so big things. Use refrigerators. You find a place there on that metal, and you can do it just like that. And I'm gonna add a little more technique to that when I make sure I got all the screws in my microwave here to take the dog. Okay, now I think I do. On the other side, that might be at the bottom here. Yeah, so maybe better. Yeah. Yeah. I got 1, 2, 3. So what I usually do is just scoot my ass down here and take it with a drill. But have my drill. Oh, you can't see me. Oh, okay, yeah. Taking all the screws out, putting them in my little newly developed screw hole. Screw hole. And it's a very good screw hole because it's very simple. And it's very simple and easy to use. Okay? And I think it raised raised. Yeah, I'm just going to put the screw now. Got it right here. Right there now. I don't count the screws, I know it. But I'm going to count them this time just for demonstration. I know it's got 3 down there. I took out 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got that one. Yeah, I don't know if I can't see. 14. To have 14, 15 so far. I know I got 3 more. So I'm gonna move them. Hold it now. And if I don't move them, hold it. I still can move it without removing my little screw holder. And I just move it. Hold it. Make sure I can see it for it. If it ain't plugged up, I can see it. Unless not, I'm plugged it up. Screw holder just stay. Sure does. Okay. Yeah. Stop the video for a minute. Gotta do some editing though.